Alright, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today, just gotta run some errands. It's tax season day, actually. Today is the last day. They actually extended it, and I actually did my taxes back in January, but I had to amend them and add a form that I just recently got. I will tell you, doing your taxes when you have a normal paying job versus doing your taxes when you own your job or own your own business and work for yourself, it's a lot easier when you just have a normal 9-to-5 job. That is the benefit of doing that. Your taxes are a pain in the ass when you work for yourself, but you know, the rest of the year it's worth it. Just when that day in April comes around, April 17th, it's not worth it. But right now I'm going to the grocery store. I need to get some food, and gonna work out today. Gonna do a workout video for you guys today. So if you are tuned in today to the channel for a car video, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna start, like I said, I was gonna start doing one workout video a week, and today's that day. So gonna take you guys along for the ride today, and we'll see where the video goes. Yes, we're in the Ford today, so let's hit those twin turbos. Woo, baby! V6 power. Yeah, missing the Hellcat lately. Alright, just picked up some groceries. I'll go over those in here in just a second when we get back to the kitchen. If you guys have never owned a Ford, I'll tell you the one thing I love about it. I'm probably going to make a video just about this, but the keypad thing on the Fords, I'm sorry, some people say it's outdated technology. Some people say other dealers need, or other companies need to do it, and I will tell you, other companies need to come up with the keypad lock, because places like, for instance, when you're in the store or at the gym, you don't have to take your keys with you, and you can just lock the truck with your keys in it. And I'll go over all the features, but if you've never owned a Ford, you probably don't know what I'm talking about or how convenient it is. But you can literally lock your keys in the car, and some people may say, well, if someone breaks in, the keys are in there. Well, the keypad is still locked, so the alarm will go off, and you can't turn the alarm off with the key because you still have the keypad locked. So Ford's really smart about that. I'm gonna make a video about that, but just had to tell you that. That's why I love this Ford. I always get the bangs, but they had the big purple today. I don't drink Monster anymore, but they had the big purple. Had to get that. Shake today? Almost. That was cool. Alright, so we got some 93.7 ground turkey. Pepper on there. And I just picked these up, so I'm kind of making like a Frito pie with Tostitos, ground turkey, throw some rice on there, but these are 50% less fat, so I like to save my fat for other shit. So I've got a whole pack of basmati rice in there. That's about 80 carbs. Alright, so we're doing legs today. Starting off with some lunges to warm up. Kevin's still on his phone, on Instagram probably, flexing, DMing. There's some new wheels for Kevin's Jeep. Yes, I'm holding the camera while doing lunges. Kevin, can I show the people your new wheels?
Yeah, I don't care.
Make sure you subscribe to Kevin's channel so you can see the new wheels for the Trackhawk. So we're gonna do some lunges just to warm up the legs. Then we're gonna do some squats. Not too heavy today. We're gonna go for some reps, and I think we're gonna go pretty heavy on deadlift. What do you think?
I'm just here for...
He's DMing someone probably.
Holding on, don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it. I
right, so on squat, we're just repping out 225 for reps today, trying to get our form back in check. And we wanted to go heavy on deadlifts, so we're gonna try and go heavy on deadlifts today, and then we'll flip it. Usually we try and flip it. We'll start with deadlifts or start with squats. We like to do them on the same day because we're stupid, right?
That works.
Look at Kev in the flesh. So a little tip here, what you want to look for if you're watching from the side is a nice straight bar path. So Kevin keeps it pretty straight, obviously. Nice back, nice flat back. He's keeping his chest up. And we have the thermostat over there, so we just say keep your eyes on the thermostat. It'll keep your chest up, back nice and flat. Let's move on to deadlifts.
Fast forward a year or two, friends have changed, but so can you. So can you. For too long about the mistakes, while I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong.
Alright, douchebag Dave is coming out. Switched to shirtless mode. That's because I'm wearing the belt. So, wearing the belt for 405. Gonna try and knock out 3 reps.
I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. I know I'm.
That's conventional
Oh,
too.
I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it.
That lockout sucks.
Kev's got to work on his quads. His lockout is probably his weakest point, which is really weird because he's got huge fucking quads. So, Kevin needs to work on his lockout. I need to work on my speed, bar speed. But we're going to end with some leg extension, leg curl, and I don't know what else because Kevin needs to eat and he's hungry. Kevin just broke our leg extension machine. So the cable snapped right there. Luckily it happened on Kevin, not a client. Not that they would have been injured, but it's kind of a little freaky.
The machine is like 20 years old.
Yeah.
Alright, well,
New gym coming soon, new equipment. But it happens, it's wear and tear on parts, so guess we just gotta replace that cable there.
65 bucks, already found it.
Only $65. So, we're almost done with our leg workout. We started with lunges, went to squats, deadlifts, leg extension, leg curl, leg extension until the machine broke. We might end with some goblets or split lunge or something. We don't have that much time. I gotta be back at 3:30, so we try and work out as best as we can, or for as long as we can. I mean, we still get really good workouts. We try and really push them. They're just sometimes they're a little bit shorter because we train people at lunch, and we gotta be back at 3:30. But we got a good amount of stuff in today. Got some stuff to work on our deadlifts. Like I said, we repped out on squat today, trying to work our form. Start going back heavy really soon on that. Our knees and hips are absolutely dog shit from football and sports all of our lives, but it is what it is. So that's gonna conclude the workout. Can't talk today. Skylar's next door actually put an eyebrow on the truck, so I tinted the windshield, and I wanted to add the extra eyebrow. It's gonna make it look even darker from the outside. Plus, now really no sun's gonna come in my view. So I'll show you guys that when we leave the gym here in a second. Skylar hooking it up once again, and his brother Cole. Got the eyebrow on there. That looks really good. So make sure you always hit up Skylar Elite Window Tinting. He does all of our vehicles, and so I just added the eyebrow, as you can see. Looks really good. It's a nice compliment to the tinted windshield, actually. Now there is no sun that comes through, especially when I'm driving and you got the sunset right in your eyes, so it's perfect. That's going to conclude today's video. So just a small leg workout for you guys. Kind of showed you what I eat as a pre-meal. Make sure you guys comment below if you like these workout videos, and I know it's not car related, and most of this channel is obviously Hellcat, truck, Jeep, all that shit related. So it's just something different for you guys, and for those people that do work out, because I know some of you do. Hopefully this helps you, and if you guys always have questions, just comment below, DM us on Instagram. We'll try and help you out as best as we can, and that's gonna do it for today's video. So make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to check out vanvorsgarage.com for any posters, and we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, Douchebag Dave is coming out. Switched to shirtless mode. That's because I'm wearing the belt. So wearing the belt for 405. Gonna try and knock out 3 reps. See what happens. That's conventional too. Woo! Got to.